This AI turns your ideas into complete, ready-to-sell digital products in bulk and in minutes.
Let's say you want to create a coloring book. All you do is type your idea, like, I want a coloring book of cute animals. And just like that, the pages are done for you. Want to create a children's storybook? Simply type your story idea. This AI doesn't just write it, it illustrates every page with beautiful, consistent characters. It's mind-blowing. Thinking of designing custom clip arts to sell online? Input your concept and immediately generate bulk clip art ready for your customers. Struggling with low views on your YouTube channel? This AI analyzes your videos and automatically creates attention-grabbing thumbnails, eliminating the hassle of creative guesswork. Want to create a personalized storybook for someone special? Just upload their photo, and this AI will turn them into the hero of their own beautifully illustrated book. You can even effortlessly turn beloved pets into exquisite artistic portraits. Upload a pet photo and watch it become a cherished, memorable piece of art. This isn't just design, it's magic, simplified for everyone, especially if you're not tech-savvy.
Click the link below to get instant access and grab the lifetime deal before it's gone.